Hey, it's Kevin in the garage again. Just wanted to show you the 1970, what is this one? 71, I guess? 71 Honda 350 that was pulled out of a barn. Um, and Daryl, you're probably watching this. Just goes to show you that these old bikes can be yanked out and checked over and gone through and get running again. But this one had 10,000 miles on the odometer showing, and it's not really I guess it's an okay shape for what it is. It's got some rust. Was sitting in a barn that wasn't necessarily climate controlled, but it was not getting wet. The engine's got really high compression. Both cylinders were still over 175. The exhaust looks pretty good. Should clean up real nice. But air filters are in good shape. It seemed like I went through the carburetor, set the points, and we put a battery in it here. It's a new battery. Clean up all the terminals as far as that goes, as far as connections go. And we got her to fire up. Everything seems like it's working good. Now, what we don't have here is a key. My key is going to be a nice little flathead screwdriver here, because we didn't have a key to it when we got it. So we're going to go ahead and get that replaced. But as for now, we're going to just stick that baby in there. I had to drill the ignition out. We're going to click it once, and this should headlight. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there it is. So it's a one-touch fire-up bike now. I mean, literally, I just touch it. I don't have to give it any gas. Sync the carburetors together. The engine sounds really good. Got a good response. Idles, runs up nice and clean, idles right back down. Now the tank needs a little work. It's one of those tanks up there. We're going to mess with one of those. So, but it runs good. Headlight works, tail light works. As far as the blinkers go, it looks like they are coming on here on that side. It don't look like they're, yeah, there they go. Oh yeah, look at that. We got blinkers, we got tail light, let's see, we got brake lights over here. Oh, we got brake lights, they all work. Hey, look at this thing. Sweet. Alright, so that's it. That's a barn find Honda with a few things done to it, just gone through, and we fired her up yesterday actually, and it's the first day I've had a battery in it. So, runs nice. If you want to buy this thing for a cafe racer or something, let me know. If you're seeing this video, just contact me online, and I can get you with the guy that owns it. He's just going to sell it. He's not planning on doing anything. He wanted me to get it going, running. So this is a perfect base, ready to go for anybody that wants to buy it for a cafe racer project or even a restore. What the heck? We've got the side covers over there, the factory tank. I'm going to go ahead and get it cleaned out and lined with some Coswell tank liner, and then we'll have it running on its own fuel tank, ready to go. So take it easy.